Hi, I am Pranav from Magic for Muggles, and now I'm going to be teaching you how to make your own coloring snitch. So what you need to make the coloring snitch is a battery holder, a motor with a stand, a wheel, some tape, a cup, 2 double-sided tape pieces, 3 markers, and your own snitch. Okay, so on this cup are 3 equidistant points on the bottom, as I've done on this one. Then put a marker on each one. You also need to make sure that when you're putting the marker, all of them have to be straight. And as you see here, none of the markers are tilted, so then it can stand up normally. I'm gonna put another piece of tape on the top of the marker so it's gonna be stable. So now we need to check our motor to see if it's working. To do that, I'm gonna attach the blue to the blue and the red to the red. Now I'm gonna turn it on. The motor is spinning good, so I'm gonna turn it back off. Now I'm gonna take my double-sided tape and put it on my battery holder. Make sure you put it on the bottom side so you don't cover the switch. And then we have to take the motor and take the other piece of double-sided tape. And then make sure to keep the tape on the side, not the bottom, because the bottom is curved, so it won't stick well. I'm gonna keep the motor in the middle of the pink marker and the yellow marker. But I'm gonna make sure not to block the switch. Next, we need to put our wheel onto the motor, but we can't put it in the middle because else it won't move. So what we have to do is we have to put it on the side, and then we will test it out. We need to test our robot out, so take off. So there's always gonna be one of those 4 that are gonna be like tight enough to hold it. So if you don't put on that one, it's gonna fly off. Yep. So make sure to do that. Now we're gonna test our robot. So we have to take the caps off our markers. Then put it on like a whiteboard or something, and then turn it on. And as you see, didn't our robot do such a good job drawing? Now we need to attach the snitch. So take the glue dot that came, peel it off. And then we have to stick it to the center of the heart and the wings, and then stick it to the snitch. So now you have that snitch. And then we're gonna take that, take some tape, and then we're gonna use the tape to attach the snitch. gonna be a bit loose, so it might fall off, but it's gonna be good. And then we're done. So let's try it for the last time. And then now we can see. Bigger whiteboard to the microphone. Wow, art coloring Snitch is making such nice designs.